Alright guys, so we're going to do a quick little video today. The purpose of this video is to solve people's issues that have idling issues going on with their motors. So this is for the new Edge Mustang. I have a V6. This could also be the problem on your V8. Usually you're going to get a check engine light for this. In my case, I haven't really been able to drive my car yet, so I don't have any check engine lights coming on, but I'm pretty sure I know what's causing the problem. So, right on the side here, this little guy right here, that is called your idle air. Oh, I'm sorry, that's your throttle body. There he is. He's right here. Let's see if we can get a good. That is called your idle air control valve. We'll shine some light on it real quick. There we go. So that is your idle air control valve. So what that thing does is basically air goes inside of your intake here on the right side, goes through your throttle body into your intake manifold. That little guy on the side, your idle air control valve, that controls how much air that your engine's getting at idle. So if you're getting too much air at idle, it will lessen the air that it's getting. If you're getting too much, or excuse me, if you're getting too much air, it will lessen the air that you're getting into the motor. If you're getting not enough air, it's going to let more air into the motor. What happens is over time these get carbon buildup on it and the sensors get dirty, so it doesn't know the appropriate air to let into the motor. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take out my idle air intake. It's such a jumble of words. Idle air control valve. I'm going to take that out. We're going to take a look at it, see how nasty and stuff it's looking. So just give me 2 seconds to pull that out and we'll take a look. Alrighty, so this is your idle air control valve. I took it off right over there on the side of the intake. Held in by two 10mm bolts, real easy to get to. Of course, I took off the top bolt, 10mm fell into the engine compartment, so I had to get another 10mm. You can see, I'll try to shine the light, we got a little bit of carbon buildup in there. And it probably didn't help that this was getting water and stuff sucked in too, and oil. So I'm going to clean this out with brake clean. You can use like a decarb cleaner or carb cleaner, stuff like that, clean that out too. I'm going to use a brake clean. If this doesn't fix my issue, I'm just going to replace it because this part isn't very expensive. But I'd figure I'd at least try to clean this up just to fix my issue and see if cleaning it fixed it. And if not, I'll just go ahead and replace it. Alrighty, so now you can see I got the idle air control valve all back installed. Like I said, it's 2mm bolts. Put it back on, tighten them down. Don't tighten them too much. I cleaned it out brake clean. Now the car's idling fine. Like most people say, it's a really cheap part to replace, so it's better just to replace it. Right now I'm just going to clean it for now, and then in a couple days I'm probably going to end up replacing it. Well, this video was just to kind of show you where it was, how to clean it, and how easy it was to replace. So that's going to be the end of this video. Feel free to leave a like and a comment down below if you like this video. Let me know what you want to see in the comments. If you want to see more how to fix stuff, if you want to see more like performance stuff, like intake, maybe some headers, maybe possible turbos, or if you want to see more like do-it-yourself stuff, I'm going to probably do the power steering fluid next. I know I've been saying that for a couple videos, but it's just, you know, it runs now. So like I said, end of this video. I will catch you guys in the next one.